Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So on the daily chart we do not have any significant changes yet. So market still calling around the same area inside the yesterday's session. So with this spike up, market finally has completed the 5140 area and hits the major 618 resistance on the daily chart and daily overbought. So currently as all targets have been completed, at least in the short term on the daily chart, we could take a look at the price action and whether it gives any hints on a possible pullback here. So as new tops have been formed, we need to update the fib levels on the forward time frame chart. So here two major areas of the retracement. We're watching for a conservative approach, just minor pullback. From that standpoint, we're watching for these two levels, 44.30, 45.70. This is 30% of all upward action, this green line, and red line is the 618 support from these lows to this top. It stands relatively clear. That creates by the Judd Napoli term the confluence support, the combination of the two fib levels from different reaction points. So that's just stronger level than just simple fib level. Second one is 618 support at 41.05. So that's the potential targets of the retracement that could happen on the Bitcoin is a healthy reaction, normal technical response to the major targets that have been hit on the daily chart. This is normal. This will not mean that the overall new tendency will be cancelled or something of that sort. This is just a technical issue that happens every time when the market hits the important levels and when especially when it hits the daily overbought. So you can see market tends at overbought. It means that on the hourly chart we could keep an eye on the possible bearish reversal patterns. So yesterday we already have mentioned minor guarded triple to sell, but as you can see, a reaction on this pattern was small. It's just minimal target has been hit of this pattern, the 30%. This pattern has not failed because minimal target has been completed. But after that, market continue to move higher and shows another leg up. This was due existence of the 5140 target because it stands above this previous top. It's daily XOP target 4140 based on this A, B, C bottom areas was standing above this top, and that was the reason why the market shows another leg up. So we're still watching for possible patterns that could trigger retracement. There are two of them. So first of all, you could recognize here minor hand shoulders that could be formed right here, starting to move down. But what is more rarely valuable, it could be a larger hand and shoulders pattern where this could be left shoulder. Head stands approximately 1618 ratio 150. This is a butterfly that has become the part of the hand shoulders. It happens very often. And something similar we should get to the right side of the price action because hand shoulders is harmonic pattern and it has the harmonic, this reflection, left side and right side. So taking into consideration this potential pattern, it will suggest that the neckline will be something here. In this case, the target will be based on the top of the right arm. Should be around 4440, and if we will take a look at our levels, we will see that 4440 stands precisely inside of this confluence support. So that's at least the patterns that we could keep an eye on the nearest time. Again, what we could say, speaking on the daily setup, this is not the time for going short because daily context is bullish. This is just the time of the waiting when the market will show the pullback, when it will reduce the tension of the overbought effect. But context here stands bullish, and it's not time for daily traders to think about the taking short position. daily traders who trade on a daily chart should wait for the pullback before taking the long position. For scalp traders on intraday charts, yes, you could think about taking the short, but wait when the market will form clear bearish reversal pattern. Once it will be formed, it will be the chance for taking the short position. Currently, it's also better to wait a bit and see how market will form. Finally, as I said, speaking a bit larger time frame, it's still a big question on the term of this rally. So whether this will be real rally, some starting with something great, or it just short-term action on the market, occasional action as it was right here at this point. So we will see what really will happen, because Bitcoin market is very thin. It's very small liquidity stands here, and every spike should be watched with suspicious, and it's only time could answer how reliable this new action that makes significant impact on the daily chart, on the overall performance of the market, whether it's really significant or it's just the occasion. So we will see. But currently, from technical point of view, we're watching two moments. First of all, from the intraday charts, the short-term traders could wait for patterns that will trigger downward pullback. On the daily chart, daily traders just wait when this pullback will be over, watching for a major support area and ability for taking the long position. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market.